So in my test tube, I'm going to just place a small amount of the copper chloride into the bottom of the test tube, just sort of squirt it into the tube like that. Okay, it just, all you need is about a thumb height full. Whenever I use my rule of thumb, when I'm dealing with chemistry, that basically means that you need no more than a thumb height worth of liquid in the bottom of the test tube. Never use any more than that, because often you need the extra space in a test tube, so if you have a bunch of fizzing happening, then there's room for that to go. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is take the magnesium, and I've just broken off a piece of it, and I'm gonna sort of fold it into a J shape like this. Okay, so that you can see it on the screen here. Okay, I will show my phone as well. Okay, there's the J shape. So we're just gonna drop this into the test tube and see what happens. So ready, set, go. I'm gonna move my camera a little closer. Okay, now while my camera is taking a really nice video of that, I'm gonna move my Chromebook camera over and see if I can get you a decent view of this. I may have to tilt it around a little bit. Okay, if you can't see a whole lot of action happening on the Chromebook screen, don't worry about it. My phone is recording all of this. We're getting a nice high definition video. I might even be able to use that video for subsequent classes. So there we go. I'm just gonna let this continue for a little while here. The video is gonna be really nice because I have I've got a white screen right in behind it, so we've got a lot of nice contrast there. So I know it's kind of difficult to see an experiment if there's like a whole bunch of junk all over the walls. Here, let's take another look at this. I'm gonna have to. All right, now what's important is to keep your eye on anything that is new in the test tube that didn't seem to be there before. I'm gonna bring my camera, I don't know how well this is gonna work. Yeah, it's probably eclipsed because of the lights that are above me, but that's okay. Anything that was not in the test tube previously is something that would be noteworthy for either the second column or the third column. Okay. And I'm just going to move the test tube a little bit, sort of, so that my camera can get a better view of the underside of the tube. This is a good video. I'll be able to take some screen captures of this and post them as well, so you have some easy pictures to look at. Okay, so that I think is as far as we need to take this one. The chemical reaction is going to continue. These chemicals don't react particularly quickly. I could let this go for a while longer and it would just sort of keep going and keep going until it runs out of one reactant or the other. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this video off here. Okay, this was, just for the record, copper chloride reacting with magnesium.